Very good morning, children. And today we are going to learn about abacus. We have learned about the basics of abacus. What is abacus? Why we use abacus? And what is the scale of abacus? Can you see here, children? This is the scale of abacus. Here, this is the frame of the abacus. This is the answer bar. This is the revision now. We have earlier studied about it. This is the answer bar. These are called upper bits. We also call it as a heaven bits. And these are the lower bits. We also call it as an earth bit to remember it. Okay. So if the bits touches the answer bar, this value is 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want 4, it will touch the answer bar. So the value is 4. Now, if we touch this upper bits to the answer bar, the answer is 5. So we all are familiar with it. And here goes ones, tens, 100, 1000. That is, this is a unique bar. Understood, children? So this is all about abacus. And now we are going to learn more about it. You know what is abacus? Abacus is A equal to MC square. More than calculation and counting. Abacus is more than calculation counting. We all know that abacus will helpful for us in many ways. We can do quickly calculation. We can very perfect calculation with the help of abacus, and it will help our right brain and left brain to function properly because we are working with both the hands. So when we move the bits from the right hand, our left brain will be working. When we move from the left hand, our right brain will be working. Right side of the hemisphere. Okay, children? So let us understand today in detail how to do direct addition and subtraction. What are you going to learn about today? Direct addition and subtraction we are going to learn today. After listening to this direct addition and subtraction, how to do, you have to do the particular homework which will be forwarded by your teacher. So hope you will understand the session and you will enjoy the session. Okay. So what we are going to learn today? Direct addition and subtraction. Let me go ahead, children. I'll take a small example. Let me take a single digit number. 1, 1, 2. Nothing is written. That means it is single digit. It's addition. If now sign is written, that means it is addition. Now I will write 2, 3 questions on the board and we'll be doing it. Okay, children. 8 minus 6, 2 minus 3. How to do on the abacus? 0, 2 minus 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 5 minus 0, 6. What will be the answer? Let us find out. Okay, children. Now you will able to see the board. Yes. So let me do this sums, and I'll make you sure how to do the single digit number. How to do the addition first. I'll take this side of the bits. You can start from any side, but make sure that you are doing with a single digit number. So I am doing from the ones digit, children. So it is 1. So 1 bit should touch the answer bar. So I have finished with 1. If you want, you can put a tick mark. Yes, I have finished with 1. Let me go ahead with the second row. Second row is also 1. So 1 more 1. I have finished with 2. Now I have 2. So what I should do? I should touch 2 bits towards the answer bar. 1, 2. 2 together. Now remember, children, when you are going with the earth weight, you have to use thumb finger. And when we are going with the heaven bits, upper bits, you have to use index finger. But my abacus scale is quite big. So I cannot move my hand like this. Okay. So I'll be using my thumb and index. But in the smaller scale, you have to use like this. Make sure the lower bits with the thumb, upper bits with the index. And once again, if you bring the bits towards the answer bar, it is addition. We are adding. If you move the bits away from the answer bar, it is subtraction. So let us do. So what answer we got? We got answer 4. So you have to write 0, 4. Okay. So it's compulsory to write 0. 0. If it is 8, you have to write 0. So remove the bits. Yeah, clear the bits. Now let me go ahead with 8. How to do, children? 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then minus 6. Minus 6 you have to do. That means 5 and 1 we have to remove. Now how to remove it? Very quickly. So index finger you keep up and thumb finger you keep up and remove like this. This is called butterfly finger. You have to remember it. When you're moving index and thumb together, it is called a butterfly. So I have removed minus. I have removed 6. That's 6. Now you have to add 2. So 1, 2. I'll add. We have finished up to here. We have finished this through. Now I should do minus 3. How do I do minus 3? I will 1, 2, 3. I will take it down away from the answer bar. So I take it down. The answer is 1. So you should write 0, 1. Let me go ahead with the third one. I'll clear the answer bits. Now what I will do? 2. So I will finish with 2. So take index thumb finger, add 2 to the answer bar. Next minus 2. We have to remove 2 from the answer bar. Then I finish with here. Now 3 plus 3. 1, 2, 3. I'll be moving towards the answer bar. Now I will do minus 5. No, this is a plus 5, children. This nothing is written as plus 5. So take this 5 towards the answer bar. Now I have to do minus 6. I'll remove 5 and 6. Use the butterfly finger. So what is the answer? 0, 2. Is it clear, children? Understood? This was how we will do addition and subtraction with single digit number. So I told you with 3 rows, 4 rows and 5 rows. Now let me move ahead with the double digit number. So also similar. I'll erase it so that and I will enter the question. Then I will solve and show you how it is done. I'll enter a few questions for you. 16, 52, 31 minus 55. How to do it? 61, 28 minus 65 minus 14. What will be the answer? Let us find out. Next, I'll take from another page. 56, 13 minus 14. Children, if you write along with me and keep doing along with me, you will understand better. Hope you will take with you the Abacus tool and you will start doing along with me. So, one more, 35 minus 15 plus 19 minus 33 plus 23. So let us go ahead. This is with 2 digit, 4 rows. Save. Now I have increased the rows over here. Okay. So let me do and explain you. Now I am going to do the 1652. First I'll do clear the bits. 16 how we will do, children? This is 1's digit. This is 10's digit. 10's digit we have 1. So this is our 1's digit. This is our 10's digit. So 1 and 6. How to use? Use your butterfly finger. It will make your work easy and interesting. So and it sounds also better. See, when you move this using the butterfly finger, together the sound will come. So it is 16 done. 1, 6. Next 52. How to do 52, children? See, this is 50. And here we will move. So move 50 towards the answer bar and move 2 towards the answer bar. Now I did with my 52. You can put a small tick or put a dot. Yes, I have finished this. You will not have a confusion. Next we'll go to the third row, 31. So I use my thumb finger 1, 2, 3. Together I will make 30 and 1 in the ones digit. So I finish with this. Now I'm left with the last row, minus 55. Where is minus 55? Where is 50? Here. And 5 is here. Remove, take it away from the answer bar. So what is the answer, children? Count and tell me. This is 40 and this is 4. So what is this answer? 44. Is it clear, children? Understood? Okay. Now let me move ahead to the second row, second one. So I'm doing this first one is done. Here also this is ones. This is tens digit. Okay, I'll clear the bits. Now 61. How do I get 61? 5 index finger, thumb finger. 5 plus, sorry, 50 plus 10, 60 and 1 in the ones part. Unit place. 28. So this is 1, 10, 20. 20 I will move towards the answer bar. And 8. Where do I get 8? Here I have 3 and here I have 5. So how do I get 8? 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So I finish with 28. Now I should less 65. I have to subtract 65. When I say less, it may sound plus. So I will use minus. So minus 65. So I have to remove 6, 50, 60. I finished with 60. Now 5. Take 5 away from the answer bar. So I finished subtracting 65. Again I have to subtract 14. How do I do that? Tens, take it down away from the answer bar and 4 away from the answer bar. So what we are left out with the answer? Here I have 10 and here I don't have anything. That means it is 0. So in tens digit I have 1 and ones digit I am left with nothing. So it is 0. Is it clear, children? Yes. So let me go ahead with third question. I'll clear my bits. Now 56. How do I get to 56? 50, the tens digit, this is 50 and 6 in the unit bar. This is 60. Use your butterfly finger. See how to do like this. Immediately it will be done. So I finish with 56. Let me go ahead with 13. How do I do 13? 10 in the answer bar, 10 in the tens digit and 3 in the unit digit. So I finish with 13. Put a tick mark. I have finished till 13. Let me do the next one. Minus 14. Less 14. How do I less 14? 1 and 4. I have reduced it. So I finish with minus 14. Let me do with 22 now. We have to, nothing is written. Nothing is written means it is addition. So 22. So I finish with 22. Minus 12. How do I do minus 12? Tens and 2. Reduce. So I finish with this. What is my answer left? Let me count. 50 and 10, 60. And this is 5. 65. Children understood? This is how we will do with 5 rows. Now let me do one more sum based on that. Here the bits. Unit bar 35. How do I do 30? 30 in the tens digit and 5. 35. Next, you have to reduce 15. 10 and 5, you have to reduce it. So finish this 2. Is it, children? Is it understood? Yes, I finished with 2 rows. Let me go ahead with 19. How do I add 19? 1 and 19. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 19 is done. I have added 19. Now minus 33. How do I subtract 33? This 30 and 3. I have subtracted 33. Now I have to add 23. This is the answer bar. 23 I have added. So what is the answer? Here 20 and here I am going to get how much? 9. 29. Hope you understood how to do direct addition and subtraction. Yes, children, now we will practice without abacus. Practice this problem without abacus. How do I do? So, this way of doing is called visualization. You have to close your eyes and you have to visualize the abacus tool in your hand and you have to do along with me. See, I have given you A, B, C, D questions. Now, what you will do? You will close your eyes and you will visualize what you have a abacus tool in front of you and I'll be speaking and you will be doing it. So 5 means you will close your eyes and you use the index finger and you'll bring it to the abacus tool. 5. 2 means you have to use your thumb finger. 2 bits you have to move towards the answer bar. Now how much it is? 7. Then one more 1. Then 1, I will speak like that and you will be doing and you will tell the answer to me. So 5, 2, 1, 1. So my answer is 9. 5, 2, 1, 1. Give result to the answer 9. All the bits got in the answer bar now. Touch the answer bar. Let me go with the 6. Close your eyes. 6 means use your butterfly finger. 6, 2, minus 7 plus 2. What will be the answer? The answer will be 3. Next, the same way, close your eyes. Imagine the abacus tool in front of you. 8 is again butterfly finger. 1 minus 5 plus 5. So what you will get the answer? You will get 9. The same way, 2 minus 4 plus 5. So what you will get the answer? You will get 5. So this is how you will do your visualization. For 5th standard, it is on page number 13. For other hope, it will be in the between 11 to 15. The page number visualization is there. You have to do it like this, children. Today you have to finish this homework. This is about how we will do without abacus. This part of learning is called visualization. Visualization means you have to close your eyes and then you have to imagine an abacus tool and you will be listening to the instruction given by your parent. Parents will help you in doing this and then you will move the bits and you will tell the result. Okay, children? Hope you will do it. Let me go ahead with the third part of this today's session. Third part of this today's session is an activity. For this activity, I have taken 2 different chalk pieces. For you, you can take 2 different pens, color pens, or 2 different color pencils. This activity is called mid-brain activity. For this mid-brain activity, you know our brain is divided into 2 hemispheres. Right hemisphere, left hemisphere. When as I told earlier, when you are moving your hand in the right side if you're moving, that means if you're moving a right hand side, that means your right brain is activated. When you move from your left hand side, your right brain is activated. Right means left hemisphere of the brain will be activated. When you move your from the left side, right side of your brain's hemisphere will be activated. So we want to activate the midbrain activity. So we every time the right brain and left brain will be coordinating among themselves. So we will understand how to do this midbrain activity. I have taken 2 color chalk pieces. You can also take different color pencils or pens, whatever available in your home. So now what I will do? See, I will take like this and I will draw. Then I will try to do the butterfly from this. See how nice is my butterfly? You can do anything from this. See, I will try to do a flower from it. Doesn't came properly, but you can activate your midbrain using this. So what this activity does for you? This activity improves right here, coordination between both part of brain. So right hemisphere and left hemisphere of your brain will get activated. Hope you have enjoyed this session, and you will finish off. Midbrain activity is the activity which will improve the coordination between both part of brain. Okay. So hope you have enjoyed this session, and you will do your given homework. See you in the next session. Bye.